What's going on? Welcome back to Breezy Acres. I'm Jonathan. Today we're going to be talking about grading potholes in your driveway with a smaller 48-inch box blade on a subcompact tractor. It's a little more difficult than with like an 8-foot wide or 7-foot wide one, because you have to basically make 4 passes over a 12 or 15-foot wide driveway. So what I usually do is I'll tilt this a little bit this way, because I get a problem with the ruts in the middle here, and the sides of the driveway have been built up over the years with grass growing on it and whatnot. So I'll tilt this a tiny bit this way, and I'll do an outside pass first, and then I'll come back and do do the inside pass. That way I kind of push when I do the inside pass, because it's tilted a bit this way. It'll take a little bit off the crown that's been built up and then kind of push it back into these flat areas. And same thing with here. It'll take a little bit off the edge here and push it back into the middle. The problem I get in my driveway is there's a hill up here and the water comes down, and usually potholes get created here. You can see a few here. Because it's just kind of where the water settles. Now, it's been getting better over the years since I've been grading it more, and I think a lot of it is to do with the fact that I've been grading the edges here, so I've been tilting them a little bit more sideways so there's easier runoff, because before it was all grass along this edge, and then the water would push into the middle of the car tire ruts, and then you just get worse potholes. So this has helped a lot by knocking these down so that you can get the water runoff, and it greatly improved the driveway over the last couple of years. When you're grading the potholes, you want to, the water collects here in the middle and it really hardens the edges of the pothole. So if you just fill it in with gravel, it's just going to splash back out, because that gravel is not packed in as hard as like this side or the bottoms of the pothole. So you really need to take your scarifiers over this first and really dig down into there and kind of break up the edges of these potholes so that the ground's not so hard, and then go back over and grade it and fill it back in with gravel. So we'll do that now. I'm gonna lower these because there's quite a few potholes right down to the very longest length they can do. So they dig in really good. So you can see that broke it up pretty good. I went over like 3 passes each way, just to kind of make sure I got it really good. The better you can dig up those potholes, the longer they'll remain not potholes the next time it rains. I also picked up a bunch of grass material because I tried to get as close to the edge as I could, because I'm still trying to get rid of some of that grass growth, and we'll just push that off into the ditch afterwards. Okay, so now we got the scarifiers are up, and I have this tilted. It's hard to tell on here, but the front blade right there is tilted a little bit in, so it digs in a little bit, and the back one's a little bit up, so it's not gonna back drag it. And also I have it tilted just slightly to the right here, so it kind of digs a little bit more into the bank along the edge of the driveway, because we want to dig up some of that grass. So this is one part here where it comes down the hill, and I'm pretty sure I'll get some puddles in here. So I'm gonna try to dig in on this side and on this side, and just make a little like trench for the water to come down and then go into the off to the side of the driveway. And that's about it. It looks kind of like I got a pretty good slope here now going off into the ditch, so hopefully most of the water will run off. Hi guys, you coming to help, are you? Hi Rambo. Hi Scarlet. Now if you wanted to smooth this out a little bit more, you could take your box blade and tilt it back so the back blade will kind of back drag, and that'll kind of pack it down a little bit smoother if you want to. So hopefully those tips will help you when you're grading your driveway and trying to fix those potholes. And if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. All right, thanks. We'll be talking.